Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term snatch. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, snatch is a quick grab or seizure of something or someone. People use it when someone suddenly takes or catches something fast. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Snatch first showed up in Middle English times, meaning to seize quickly or suddenly. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among casual speakers and in street language. Now let's check out how to use snatch in a sentence. Correct example 1. She managed to snatch the keys before he could lock the door. Correct example 2. I tried to snatch the last slice of pizza before anyone else did. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said snatch at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe. Using snatch right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Snatch means a quick grab or seizure. It started in Middle English times, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with snatch in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.